Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and in this video I'll be showing you how to cut a basic skirt. So this is my fabric folded into two. This is the front and this is the back. Now as you can see, there's a space here which is my zipper allowance, 2 inches zipper allowance. Here we have 2 inches zipper allowance, and then this is the top and that's the bottom over there. So I'm going to start by taking my length. The customer's length for the skirt is 36. So 36 is my length. 36. This is 36. I'm going to be using my lining to turn the skirt. So I'm going to give it an extra 2 inches for my lining to pull it under 2 inches. So our actual measurement is 36, sorry. So I'm using 38 for the length. So this is 38. Then the next thing you want to do is take your hip measurement. Now from your waistline, this is now going to be our waistline, yeah? So from your waistline, you take down, I always use 10. For some people, they use 8 inches, but I like to use 10 inches for the hip. So from the waistline down to the hip, that's my 10 inches. And then for the knee area, I like to use 18. So this is my knee area. Now the next thing you do is divide the waist measurement by 4 inches. So here we've got our waist measurement, which is 40 divided by 4, we have 10. So we take our 10, and remember we need to add our dart allowance, which is 1 inch, which makes it 11, and then our sewing allowance, which is 2 inches. So altogether we have 13. So this is our line. Then you do the same thing on the hip area as well. The hip measurement is 50 divided by 4, we have 12.5. So remember this, we're using the front. We're not adding the zip allowance because it's already there. So notice where my measurement is coming from the front, not the zipper allowance. Okay, so we have this hip allowance, hip measurement divided by 4, we have 12.5. Our hip allowance, like I said earlier, is 50. So divided by 4, 12.5. And then we have our sewing allowance, which is 2 inches. So we have 13.5, we have 14.5, and that's it, 14.5. So for the knee length, if you want the skirt really penciled, you can take out 4 inches from her hip measurement. Okay, 4 inches from her hip measurement. But this particular skirt is for an elderly lady. She doesn't want the whole penciled skirt towards the knee area, so she likes her skirt free. So I'm just going to take out 1 inch from the hip measurement. Okay, so hip measurement with my allowance is 14.5, sorry. So I'm just going to take 13.5, just 1 inch. Okay, so we're going to connect all these lines. Here we now connect the lines from the waistline to the hip line, and then from the hip line to the knee measurement. And then now you don't want this sharpness here, so you can just do the curve yourself. Okay, and then we just follow suit towards the end of it, follow down towards the end of it to get our full measurement, which is this all the way down. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. So after that, we're just going to cut our skirt now. And that's it. Our skirt is ready. So if you want this, now remember this is on fold, So you're not going to open the front part, but you're going to separate the back, so you have the two-piece, because it's coming with a zipper and a slit at the back. So I'm just going to separate this, and that's it. So we have the front piece and we have the back piece. If you like, you can measure your dart from here, 4 inches. You can put a notch if you want to, and all of that, but I like to do that when I'm sewing. So after this, I'm just going to cut out my lining. I'm just going to lay this over my lining and then fold the edge. Remember my 2 inches allowance, fold it, and then that will give it the length for my lining, and I'll pull it up and then sew it all around. Okay, then for this skirt, it's a bandless skirt, so I'm going to be using the fabric to turn, to just turn the waistline. But before I do that, I'm going to, this is the back, I'm just going to take that out, and this is the front. So I'm just going to take out 1 inch 1 inch from the waistline. Look at this, 1 inch, yeah, 1 inch, and then I'm going to pull this to meet here. Just draw like an A-line shape. You can use your tape, or you can just free draw it yourself. Draw it like this, and then cut this out. Okay, now you make sure this doesn't get to this point, or else it's going to affect the length. Okay, because we're going to be joining the skirts with the back from this point. So you just make sure you have this trimmed out. Yeah, that's it. So we're done cutting this one. That's it. So I'm going to be showing you the final project. If you want to use a band, if you want a skirt with a band, all you need to do is you cut out 4 inches. You can just cut out a straight strap. I always use 4 inches for my band, and then lay your what's it called, lay your interfacing, use a hard one. It's actually not a skirt with a band, it's a banded skirt.
So guys, here is the final project. I wasn't able to make a proper video, I'm so sorry, but this is what I have. It's really simple. It's something you could try out. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments and I'll be glad to answer it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Guys, we're on a journey to 2K subscribers before the end of this year. Support your girl, let's make that happen. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.